What's up guys, you're welcome to my first tutorial video. Today I'm going to be teaching you the Shakamu dance created by myself.
Look at that girl looking all
Alright guys, before you watch this video, make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button, and don't forget to share and follow me on Instagram at Afro Champ. So let's get to the magic. Okay, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple to learn. It's very simple and cool move. Alright, so let's go. So first, I'll need you guys to keep your legs apart. Yeah, you keep your legs apart like this, and you're going to start with your right leg. Your right leg, by keeping the leg on its toe, like on its toe. Then you keep your heel up. Then you're going to push your knee forward with your toes, bringing up your heel. So it's going to be like 1, 2. You see that? It's going to be like 1, 2. So you're going to do this left and right with the right leg. So it goes like this: 1, 2. Okay? It goes 1, 2, and step aside. Okay, let's try this together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Step aside. Good. So now the next thing you need to do is to try that with your left leg. Same thing. You go 1 and 2. Okay. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and step aside. Okay. When we join that, this is what it's going to give. 5, 6, step aside. 5, 6, step aside. You see that? It's pretty simple. So now this is where there's the small complication. This is where it gets complicated. There's this little 1, 2, 1, 2, fast 1, 2 touch we do with the both legs. So let's try that. So it gives 1, 2, step aside and 2. So you feel that? All right, let me take it back again. So it goes 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now let's get to the 1, 2 step. All right, so let's take it from the step aside. So it goes like this: step, heel, toe, push. The first push I taught you in the beginning, okay? Don't forget. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step, 1, 2, hit. Okay? That's it. That's just it. So we need to try that with the opposite leg, which is our right leg. So let's go. We'll step aside. 1, 2, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 2, go. Okay? You feel that? It's very easy. So can we try that from the beginning? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, clap for yourself. That was wonderful. Okay? But now, this is the last touch. I forgot something, the last touch, which is your hands. You need to move with your hands. So this is what it's going to give. You need to have this feeling like your hands are controlling your legs. Okay? So this is what it's going to give. We'll go 1, 2, step. Okay? You see this step? The way you put out your elbow. So it goes step, 1, 2, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 1, 2, step. 1, 2, 1, 2, step. 1, 2, 1. So guys, I think we're good with it. So can we try with a song? Let's try this with a song.
Pepeni, yeah, oh Pepeni, sister Pepeni, yeah, oh Pepeni, yeah, oh Pepeni.
Guys, thank you. I think you have it. So the only thing you need to do is to rock this move. All right, rock this move. Do your variations. Some people do 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. So you need to get creative with it. Some people hit 1, 2, 3, then come back. So just do it like it's your move now. All right. I hope you have fun. Enjoy this. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I want to see your suggestions in the comment section and comment the type of videos and tutorials you want me to see. So this was just my first tutorial, and I would love to work with you guys next time. So don't forget to give your suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Afro Champ. That's the link at the bottom of the screen. So let's go.
Pepeni, get up, Pepeni.